guys, I'm Mira from Magic Beans. If you follow our Instagram, you already know who I am, but if you don't, which you should by the way, at mbeans.com, I'll introduce myself here. I'm 14 years old and I'm so excited to be working at Magic Beans this summer and hopefully creating a lot of interesting content for you guys on Instagram, Facebook, and here on the YouTube channel. So I know that my dad always reviews the latest and greatest in strollers and car seats, but I thought that today we could spice it up and talk about some toys. Now, a staple when I was growing up, and is still a very popular toy, are Magna-Tiles. So here with me, I have an array of different Magna-Tiles. I have the Magna-Tiles DX, Magna-Tiles DX Clear, and the Magna-Tiles Ice. But today, I thought that we could talk about the newest in the Magna-Tiles family. These are the Magna-Tiles Qubix. So let's get unboxing. Okay, this one is 29 pieces, and it is a fish. So this one is the bigger out of the two. It comes with 29 pieces. Awesome. So as you can see, it comes packaged in like a fish. So in the set, you get 4 different varieties of prisms. This one is the triangular prism, and there are 8 of them. This one is the rectangular prism, there are 3 of them. This one's the square pyramid, and there are 4 of them. This one's the cube, there are 12 of them. And this one is the hexagonal prism, and there are 2 of them. So let's get building. So already, these are unlike any other Magna-Tiles I've tried before. It's super cool. I don't know if you guys can see, but there are little magnets inside at each corner of the prism. This makes it possible for it to stick to any and every side of another shape that you're trying to use. Voila! Here's my masterpiece, a 2-story castle that I've created in just under a minute. So yeah, the possibilities I'd say are pretty much endless for these. That concludes our little unboxing. If you want to learn more about Magna-Qubix and other kinds of Magna-Tiles, then go visit us at mbeans.com. There's going to be a link in the bio, and like and comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make new videos every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!